welcome back to the channel. It's Monday. I'm back out in the garage with some updates for you guys. The 1967 XL 7-liter 427 car is kind of sitting on the side here waiting for parts. Removed the booster and master cylinder from the car. The master cylinder was sent out to White Post Restorations down in Virginia. They're going to do a rebuild on that one. It was original, so I did not want to replace it with something that wasn't. And the power brake booster is headed out to Power Brake Booster Exchange in Washington, better known as Booster Dewey. Seems like the only person in the country who does these anymore. Once the brake parts are back, going to put all new brake lines on the car, front to back, rear brakes, have new calipers for it, rotors, everything. And once all the brake system is finished, then the motor and transmission can go in, drive shaft, and we can get this car running. The 62 Ford, which is the last car I left you guys with for a video. The 445 stroker. Engine is in, wired up, oiled up. Everything's hooked up, ready to go. Just needs water put in it, spark plugs, and it's ready to fire. The 68 Mustang. I've been kind of quiet about this car. I contacted a friend of mine who has a salvage yard, scored a LS53 out of a van. Gonna drop it right in there and get back out on the track.
How dare you!
No, but I have other plans. What I'm doing to it is currently top secret, so I can't show you any of that. But I had to do something different because I will probably not have an engine for this car this year, and I do not want to sit out another year. And our latest arrival, 1966 427 R Code. Another one. Full disclosure, this used to be my old car. Sold to a friend of mine. Got it back here, gonna get it running again after sitting dormant for a few years. Flush the fuel, rebuild the carbs, give it a good once over. Send it back to him. Shouldn't take too much, but with me, little things seem to take forever. I do take my time. I do get distracted by life. I guess it happens to all of us. So, thanks again for watching the channel, watching this quick shop update. I'll be back with more in-shop videos very shortly as we get back in the groove of working on these old junkers.